Welcome back to Brain Beats. Let's dive into a boiling controversy. Literally. For years, people have debated whether crabs, lobsters, and other crustaceans can feel pain. Well, the science is tipping the scales. Studies reveal that these creatures show responses resembling pain when exposed to harmful stimuli. Crabs remember and avoid areas where they experienced electric shocks. Lobsters, too, exhibit stress-related behaviors when subjected to boiling water. This new understanding is stirring waves in culinary traditions. Animal welfare advocates are pushing for bans on practices like boiling crustaceans alive, arguing it's time to rethink how we treat these sentient beings. But it's not just about ethics. This issue impacts industries, laws, and even dinner plates. Countries like Switzerland and New Zealand already mandate humane slaughter methods for crustaceans. The question remains, should these practices become the global standard? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching Brain Beats, where curiosity meets the mind.